Okay, yes, this part of the base is being filled in. And it's being prepared for the base cladding glass. This side still has yet to be squared off, but they're getting to it. Again, this the construction lifts here have been removed and dismantled completely. As I said before, there are a set of elevators inside the building that are now operational. Not all the elevators are operational yet, but there are a few. And that's why this construction elevator was dismantled a while back. This looks amazing. Looking at 4 World Trade Center, it appears that the glass for where the construction elevators once were is being filled in also. That glass is being filled in. Okay, I can't really see the cladding from here. I'm having a bit of a light issue with the sun, so I'm gonna have to keep moving for now. Notice the antenna spire pieces are gone. Standing right under building 7 at the gate. Here's just another look at the base and more spire parts, antenna spire. Well, they're very small parts. The major pieces are gone now. This is the Path Station entrance. Just another shot of 1 World Trade Center and the HVAC ventilation glass. Oh, you can see some of the base cladding on this side before I go up. Right over here are towers 2 and 3. Unfortunately, we're still having trouble finding a tenant for towers 2 and 3. It appears that they have already poured concrete on the upper floor of Tower 3 to be a temporary roof. But hopefully a tenant will be found soon. Excuse me. Appears to be the same story with 2 World Trade Center. Tenant still needs to be found. And it's going to be at least another year before the base podium is ready. I mean, they're doing some work, but it's not really significant. It's been like this for quite a while now. You know, these skyscrapers, they take a while to build. Years. Alright, I'll move closer to those in a minute. But once again, here is the Freedom Tower. Right here you can get a better look at the glass being filled in where the construction elevators once used to be. So those sections are being filled in. Again, a while back those were tracks for construction elevators. But now that they've been dismantled, it's time to fill them in. It's Tower 2 and 3. This is Church Street and Vesey Street. Back of Tower 2. And One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. Again, there are parts of the spire, well, the actual spire rather than parts, up there. And the HVAC ventilation glass is nearly complete on these sides. Now the observation deck floors are left, and the glass parapet. Here is 4 World Trade Center. And 3 World Trade Center. I'm now approaching the transportation hub and Tower 3. Still nothing above ground for the transportation hub. So the transportation hub is still a long way off. A lot of work is done below ground right now, but nothing as far as outside street level.